let me introduce you to the stunning actress herself joining us all the way. Hello,
Okay,
Anjana,
that
how
was
are
a
you?
very sweet introduction. Thank you.
I would
आपको
have
भी
kept on
रमजान
going.
मुबारक हो.
Ramzan Mubarak, thank you so much, Anjana. And introduction इतना लंबा because आपका तो introduction अगर आप अगले 5-10 मिनट नहीं भी हैं तो वो चलता ही रहेगा because the things you have done
That's true.
and people love to
Thank you.
watch you as well. Recently, how's your quarantine going? सबसे पहले तो ये बताएं, Anjana.
Well, honestly, I'm enjoying it.
अच्छा.
I'm having a good time just being home, chilling, doing थोड़ा घर का काम and cooking and reading. So it's nice as long as it lasts.
Anjana, recently you have
Thank you, Nitin. Hmm.
एंड सारे फैंस आपके एक साथ जो है आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार दे रहे हैं एंड वी आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू टेक सम ऑफ द कमेंट्स एज वेल लेकिन
Yes,
अंजना
please.
थोड़ा सा ये बताइए अबाउट दिस मूवी गुड न्यूज एज वेल जिसकी स्क्रिप्ट जब आपके पास आई थी एंड वी हैव सीन इन डिफरेंट इंटरव्यूज एज वेल यू like Bebo as well and style icon जब उनको consider करते हैं you love following her as well so how was it when this movie came to you क्या reaction था सिर्फ करीना की वजह से हाँ की थी या स्टोरी भी सुनी थी because the story itself is very
I'm,
different.
I'm sure Bebo was the first reason, but I think there was a plus in every possible way in this film. I'd auditioned for this film. They had called me to audition, and I think जिस दिन मैंने audition किया, कुछ और भी girls were there to audition. But I think when I auditioned, I think that day itself, I knew that I'm doing this film for sure. And then cut to a week later, I got a call from the director, and he said, "Can you come and meet us at the office?" And I think he kind of saw me that Punjabi kudi kind of a feel to me. So,
Yeah.
so I guess yeah, it just worked out very beautifully. I mean, I worked with Akshay before in Khatro Ke Khiladi. I've done Golmaal Returns with Bebo. So there was like a nice vibe on the set of familiarity and working with these amazing people. So I think it was a plus in every way for me.
अंजना you usually take these challenging roles as well चाहे वो main lead पर हो as heroine चाहे वो comedy movies भी हो but personally if you have to choose या अगर आपके पास choice हो so what kind of movies do you prefer doing चाहे वो ये वाली होती हैं या
You
you
are
like
an actor yourself, so you understand that we never, kind of put yourself in a space where we say कि हम यही कर सकते हैं, यही करना चाहते हैं. I think we always want to challenge ourselves and do something that we've never done before. Go completely against the personality that you are and explore different emotions which you've never felt. So I guess it's all kind of roles. I mean, comedy, action, emotional, romance. I think everything just works.
अच्छा अंजना आपने रीजनल मूवीज में भी काम किया है व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन वर्किंग इन रीजनल मूवीज एंड कंपैरेटिवली अगर आप हिंदी मूवीज की बात करें
If
इज
I
देयर
tell you,
पर्टिकुलर
I'll tell you. So I've done Kannada, I've done Telugu, I've
वाह
done Punjabi, I've done Marathi, and I've done Hindi. So 5 languages. See, emotion, जो human emotion है, वो तो is same in every aspect of every film. But what changes is the culture. So something that I saw in Kannada film industry was very different than in Punjabi, was very different than in Marathi. So culture difference ke wajah se, I think there is a little bit of shift in your performance as well because I feel in Telugu you can be a little more caricaturish and get away with it. In Marathi, you have to be very very real as a performer. Again in Bollywood you have to be very natural as a performer, so I think you kind of gauge it as in how you move on to different regions. You understand that what kind of audience is there and then you cater accordingly. And yes, of course, one big thing is the food.
या
The food in India changes with every region literally, and I love that.
अंजना फूड से बात आई है तो अबाउट दिस वेट एज वेल तो कभी कभार डू यू हैव सर्टेन वेट या डायरेक्टर की तरफ से कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है दैट इफ यू आर इनटू दिस
Of
मराठी मूवी
course.
so you should be very heavy if you are in a Hindi movie so you should be more toned कुछ इस तरह की
Of
रिक्वायरमेंट
course, of course, I think, and that happens to pretty much everybody. I remember when I signed Salamesh, and I've always been on a little heavier side. I've never been a very scrawny, skinny girl as such. And so they were like, but you would have to lose weight. I mean, this is not going to work for sure. We like your face, but we don't like your body. Also, because I was playing a dancer, so it was very normal to have that body of a kind of a
lead
choreographer
photos
dancer
yeah
in the. So yes, that changes with region. Sometimes you are asked to put on weight, sometimes you are asked to lose weight. But I guess that's probably part of an actor's journey. So I enjoy being
अंजना,
that.
there are certain songs जो हैं जो कि अभी तक लोग सुन भी रहे होते हैं that have been phenomenal songs from the Bollywood as well. What is your particular favorite song जो आपने किया जो अभी भी आपको जैसे एक टैगलाइन बन जाता है? We have seen कि अगर कोई सिंगर है, for example, if कल हो ना हो का song बजता है, so Karan Johar knows that if I'll be no more, so this is the song that people are going to remember me with. So is there any particular song
I think,
associated to
I
you?
think, I think, yeah, I mean, one particular song I think that is like forever going to be is Tenule, because
Yeah.
I have seen across generations enjoying that song, even from, very adult uncles and aunties to grandpas to children to youth. Everybody enjoys that song. It has that kind of groove and beat. So I think yeah, I think that's one song that will probably be remembered for most, at least until now.
And Anjana, इसके साथ साथ we have seen you are now quite active on social media. Were you always very active या कोई आपको इसकी तरफ लाया था? Because you have been from the generation and इसमें आप जब आई, so you were not at that time social media नहीं था, but this is right now. You can interact with people. You can actually see the reaction of people. Movie के फौरन बाद के लोग क्या trend में लाना चाह रहे हैं. How was it, the cultural shift?
But I truly enjoy it, but I just think that I can't still bring myself to give it 100%. I mean, I can't. I feel it's like a burden in some ways. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि you literally have to flash your entire 24 hours that you're living on social media, what you're drinking, what you're eating, what you're cooking, where you're going, what you're wearing, and I feel overwhelmed with that. So I like there is a certain kind of mystery and certain kind of what is it called, privacy to hold back, and at the same time yet give so much of love back that you receive from the audiences. So I think there's a very fine balance, and I think everybody has to draw their own line that how much they can be a social influencer or a social media person and how much you have to hold back. I think that's why I probably I can't put videos and photos like every day. It's like very difficult for me.
Anjana, you have been traveling as well, and एक actor का भी काम होता है because they are considered to be influencer and role models as well. Which particular destination do you enjoy? कि आपको मजा आता है कि यार यहाँ पे या next lockdown के बाद जाने का plan है?
Oh, I only wish that it would be easy now to travel, but we do know and all of us know that we have to take a lot of precautions, even though we get over this the virus thing.
Yeah.
If given a chance, I would love to fly to Switzerland because that is beautiful. Also because I spent a lot of time there once shooting a film. So that quiet and peace and nature and beauty and everything, I would just like totally want to be there.
And Anjana, United States का क्या plan है आपका अगर आगे से आपको different events की, for example, because you
अगर आए तो मैं सबसे पहले न्यूयॉर्क आऊंगी.
Anjana, but we have seen this, कोई actors अगर आ रहे होते हैं, especially United States, so they actually want के कम से कम कोई 4 से 5 events होंगे because it's way too far. So actually they want to have the most out of it, the tour basically.
Yeah, absolutely, and I think I agree with you, and I don't think there's anything wrong in it because you want to make the most of your vacation, but at the same time earn the money and spend the money in your vacation. So why not? It's like big business and pleasure. You're mixing both, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. And I agree because it's almost like a 18 to 20 hour travel.
Yeah.
You want to you want to spend time there. You just don't. It's not like going to Pune and then coming back in 3 hours, going to Dubai and coming back in 2.5 hours. So when you're spending so much of time traveling, you also want to stay back and enjoy the place and enjoy the people and the weather and everything else. So yeah, I mean, it makes sense. If I come, I would love to stay at least for a few weeks.
Of course, Anjana, कोई दो चीजें ऐसी जो किसी भी टाइम पे खा सकती हैं आप?
जो किसी टाइम पर
खा सकती हैं any time, कोई दो ऐसे cuisines?
I think Chinese and Italian.
पर्टिकुलर कोई डिश आपको पसंद है इसमें या पिज्जा? अच्छा, या ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैंने 400 साल पहले पिज्जा खाया था अब नहीं खाऊंगी या मैंने 3000 साल पहले खाया था?
Rather, I actually plan to make pizza at home one of these days. I keep seeing the recipes and I say, okay, how can I make this healthier now? How can I substitute different things so I can actually make it more healthier version of it and still enjoy the pizza?
And Anjana, the three things that yeah, two things we basically जो रुकी नहीं अभी lockdown की वजह से, that once the lockdown is over, you are definitely going to do that.
I
Which you
want
would
to be
like
on
to
a
share.
film set again.
Can you repeat that?
I said I want to be on a film set again.
Okay. And film के set,
I would,
I guess releases भी रुक गई हैं अभी काफी हद तक तो and
yes.
some of the
I think
major
for a
releases have
while,
been postponed.
yes, for a while, I think of course it'll be pushed because everybody's going to be scared now to go into a space where there are like 200, 300 people. And that's absolutely valid because at the end of the day, life is more important than entertainment. But having said that, it is also very important to get entertained.
Definitely.
So,
बिल्कुल हम थोड़ा सा एंड की तरफ आएंगे एंड वी नो एंड पीपल लव योर हेयर एज वेल सो अंजना वन गुड टिप फॉर द फीमेल फैंस एज वेल लॉकडाउन में किस तरह जो है पर्टिकुलरली कैन मेक दे कैन मेक देयर हेयर स्ट्रॉन्गर द थिंग्स यू डू पर्टिकुलरली या नेचुरली हैं हाउ डज दैट वर्क
I don't know. There is honestly, I'm nobody really to give a tip to somebody. Everybody knows what's good for them. But all I would say, I think the one thing that really helps me, particularly in this lockdown and everybody's locked down in their homes and you kind of get a little overwhelmed with feelings sometimes. What really helps me is I put on jazz music or spa music in my house and just dance away and just enjoy and light a candle. And, I think that kind of calms you down because the music is such. But other than, like I said, I'm pretty much enjoying everything. I don't mind this.
ठीक है thank you so much Anjana for joining us
Thank you
it
so
was
much.
lovely having you and thank
Absolutely
you
a pleasure. Thank you so much,
thank you
Azhar.
I
Take care.
hope to
Bye-bye.
see you soon
Allah Hafiz.
in the United States as well
Thank you.
take
Thank
care
you. Bye-bye.